nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan.
And we are now about to witness the finals championship women's division JPD Garage versus Lady Galleons of Los Baños. I am once again Shekinah Shelshire. I'll be your commentator for today. We'll be guiding you play by play during this game. It's been a long run for the women's division. Finally, we have here for our championship Lady Galleons versus JPD Garage women's division. I would like to shout out referee Agdon, who's currently here at Central Gymnasium. We have here for the jump ball, as usual, of course, Mendoza. On the other hand, jersey number 2, Tenya. We are currently witnessing here Kamalate for Lady Galleons as a playing head coach. And we will be starting our first quarter once again championship finals for women's division. Lady Galleons versus JPD Garage. We will see at the end of the game who will be claiming the championship. That was the first shot, but no good. Out of bounds and a ball possession for Lady Galleons. Abad trying once again to set a play. Pass to Kalibo. Kalibo on the corner to Dimas. Dimas drives for two. No good. No good again. Rebound by Kalibo. Got it by Tenya. To jersey number 12, Constantino. No good. Iwan with jersey number 18 to Abad. Abad trying to find a hole at the corner to Kalibo. No good. We have here Saginsin. Pass jersey number 13, Constantino. To no good. Constantino once again for two. No good. Having a hard time to shoot the ball. Out of bounds, same ball. That would be 13-second shot clock for JPD Garage. Once again, 13 seconds. Constantino tries to drive but failed. Out of bounds and a ball possession for JPD once again. That would be 6-second shot clock. Second scene for the inbound. Kaunin fires, no good. Save the ball. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza on the run. Drives for two. 2 points for LBDL. Lady Galleons made by Mendoza. Second scene. Pass to Constantino. Jersey number 13, Constantino. No good. Rebound by Abad. Abad saved by Mendoza. Mendoza tries to run again. No good. Tilde on a 2. We have for the inbound again. Saginsin to Kaunin to Llames. Traveling violation. That will be a ball possession for Lady Galleons. As of now, current score 4-0. That will be 0 for JPD and 4 points for LBDL. Abad. Dimas. Drives for two. Tried to pass it. No good. The rebound by Steele. Llames saved the ball. No good. Saginsin. No good again. 2 points by Saginsin from JPD Garage. Abad. Once again. Pass to Kalibo. Tries to fire for 3. No good. Saved again. We have a foul. That's a shooting foul for Tilde. That will be 2 shots for her. First shot. Baskets. That's another score for Galleons. Second shot is no good. That will be 1 point made by Tilde. Pass to Talabis. Talabis, steal by Abad. Abad trying to get away from Kaunin. Ball possession to JPD Garage. Talabis to Kaunin. Back to Talabis. Traveling violation. Number JPD? 12. Calibo on the corner, shots for 3, no good. The rebound by Constantino. Pass to Llames. Out of bounds, same ball. Ball possession to JPD. 18-second shot clock. Ano apelido Sandoval? Sandoval. Well, Sandoval. Anong apelido nun? Uyak lang. Ay, Mami. Pamute po. We are back to the ball game after that confusion, but here again, Mendoza no good. Tried to save by Tilde, but Constantino got it. To Llames. Llames, no good. Rebound by Mendoza once again. Pass to Dimas. Dimas on the rush. Traveling violation. Talabis. On the corner, Liames shots for 3. 3 points for Liames and for JPD Garage. We have here Dimas. On the other hand, pass to Camalate. Camalate shots for 3. Short ball, no good. We're on to 4 minutes and 50 seconds for our first quarter. For inbound, second scene. Pass to Talabis. Talabis. To Kaunin. Liames. Block. Access denied. Made by Mendoza. Right there. That was a nice block. Liames. Pass to Kaunin. Kaunin. Second scene. Mid shot range. 2 points. Dimas. Pass to Camalate. Camalate to steal. Liames once again. 2 points by Cortizano. Dimas. As of now, JPD is 4 points ahead against Lady Galleons. Dimas, pass to Camalate. Camalate on the drive. No good. Rebound by Kaunin. Pass to Saginsin. Saginsin to Talabis on the drive. No good. Rebound by Tilde. Tilde to Camalate once again. Tilde on the under. No good. Rebound by Kaunin to Talabis. Talabis to Liames. Easy. 2 points. Camalate. Calibo. Shots for 3. No good. Rebound by Tilde to Dimas. Back to Tilde. Mishandling the ball to Camalate. Fires for 3. No good. Tilde once again on the rebound. Calibo, 2 points. Kaunin. Kaunin, no good. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza on the rush. No good. Rebound by Talabis. Talabis, no good again. Tilde, fast break to Mendoza. 2 points by Mendoza. That's a timeout call made by JPDX EPC. Once again, 1 minute and 53 seconds remaining time for first quarter. As of now, 11-9 official score. 2-point lead by JPD Garage.
Lakas puso at isip, handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay.
We are back to the ball game once again. Championship finals for Lady Galleons of Los Baños versus JPD Garage Women's Division. As of now, 1 minute and 53 seconds for our first quarter. Ball possession for JPD. We have here Liames. Liames dribbling the ball, trying to find an open shot to Kaunin on the middle. No good. Rebound by Tilde. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza to Galvez. Galvez trying to stay low. Jersey number 20. We have a foul. That's a foul made by De La Cruz from JPD. That will be 2 shots for jersey number 20, De La Cruz from Lady Galleons. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good again. Rebound by Pasulyames on a corner for 3. No good. Rebound by to Talabis. Talabis, no good. Another. De La Cruz. Kaunin. Drives. 2 points. That's 2 points made by Cortizano. Galvez, pass to Camalate. Open shot. No good. Rebound by Kaunin. We have a foul. That's an offensive foul. Jersey number 0, Kaunin. Camalate for inbound. De La Cruz, 2 points. Last 30 seconds for first quarter. Trying to fight over the ball. Tilde. To Camalate. Camalate to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, no good. Rebound by Talabis. Talabis. We have a foul. Another whistle. Offensive foul, jersey number. That's jersey number 13, Talabis from JPD Garage. Camalate, pass to Tilde. Tilde on the under, steal by Valle. And that's it for the first quarter. Official score 13-11, 2-point lead by JPD x EPC. We will be back as soon as we start for our second quarter. Once again, Lady Galleons of Los Baños versus JPD Garage Eastern.
Basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 Velvet D-League basketball liga 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, kumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth.
We are back to the ball game. Start of the second quarter. Championship finals for women's division. Los Baños Lady Galleons versus JPD Garage. We have here for the inbound Mendoza. To Calibo Camalate for 2. Jersey number 3. Talabis out of bounds and a ball possession for Lady Galleons. Mendoza to Camalate. Camalate trying to escape. Talabis pass the ball hard out of bounds and a ball possession for JPD. Llames once again. Pass to Valle. Back to Llames. Having a hard time. Fires for 3. No good. On the under. Mendoza. On the rush. Drives for 2. Foul counted. That was a nice shot made by Mendoza with the foul. And the foul made by jersey number 13, Talabis. That will be 1 shot for Mendoza. We have a substitution for JPD. And again, proceeds to 1 shot for Mendoza. She just made 3 points once again for this second quarter. Valle. Pass to De La Cruz to Llames. On the corner shot. No good. Rebound by Valle. That'll be 2 points made by Valle. De La Cruz. Open shot, 2 points. That's an easy 2 made by De La Cruz right there. We have here a traveling violation. We have a substitution. Cortizano is out and Pandino is in. Camalate, pass to Galvez. Galvez trying to escape De La Cruz. Tripped over. Napizagare to Pandino. Pass to Valle. Back to Pandino. On the corner, De La Cruz. Fires for 3, no good. We have there Mendoza for the rebound. Another drive. No good. That was a nice try made by Mendoza. De La Cruz to Valle. Steal. Calibo. Calibo to Galvez. Traveling violation. That's a ball possession for JPD Garage. Another substitution. Kaunin is back in the court. Pandino to Llames. Llames. Right there. Kaunin for 2, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz escaped. Pass to Camalate. Camalate to Galvez. That was a nice pass. Foul counted. Amazing shot made by Galvez. Bonus with the foul. That will be 1 shot for her. Dildes back in the court. Galvez, 1 shot. Basket. She just made 3 points for this quarter. Cortizano. Cortizano. Walang mapasahan. Steal by Calibo. Calibo to Camalate. To Abad, 2 points. Llames. Llames to Cortizano. Cortizano trying to escape. Galvez. Steal by Calibo. Calibo. And an open shot for Galvez. 2 points. That's an amazing comeback for Lady Guardians. And timeout call made by JPD Garage. Remaining 6 minutes and 34 seconds for our second quarter. Official score 25-15 in favor of Lady Galleons.
Para sure win effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball.
We are back to the ball game after a timeout call made by JPD Garage. As of now, 25 points for Lady Galleons. And on the other hand, 15 points for JPD Garage. We see here the Talabis is back in the court after the foul in the first quarter. And we have an offensive foul once again for Talabis. That will be a ball possession for Lady Galleons. Armas, pass to Abad. Abad to Tilde, back to Abad, no good. Tilde saved the ball. No good, Tilde once again. No good again, rebound by Kaunin. Kaunin. Kaunin, we have a foul. Jersey number 18, Tilde. That will be a ball possession for JPD Garage. Saginsin pass to Talabis. We have a whistle. A technical. That's a technical call for the head coach of JPD Garage, Coach Rio. That will be one shot for Galleons. We have here Galvez for the shot. No good. And a ball possession for JPD Garage. As of now, Lady Galleons is 10 points ahead against JPD. For the inbound, Saginsin, pass to Llames. Llames to Talabis. Talabis as she drives, and we have a foul. "14-second shot clock for JPD Garage. Talabis, pass to Llames. Llames fires for three. No good. Rebound by Kaunin. Foul counted. That's 2 points made by Kaunin with the foul. That'll be one shot for her. One shot. Basket. She just made 3 points for JPD for this game. 5 minutes and 35 seconds for our second quarter. We are seeing here Abad setting a play. Abad to Armas. Another foul. Foul jersey number 8, Llames. A ball possession for Lady Galleons. 14-second shot clock for them. Kalibo to Tilde. Tilde once again. Steal by Saginsin. Steal by Abad. Lady Gallians got it back to Armas. To Tilde. No good. Rebound by Talabis. We can feel the tension between the two teams here. Talabis. Pass to Llames. Llames, no good. Tried to save it by Talabis. Tilde got it back to Armas. Armas, pass to Kalibo. Back to Armas. Trying a hard time. Out of bounds and a ball possession for JPD. So we can see here, Dimas is back in the court. Saginsin to Llames. Llames to Talabis. Talabis pass to Kaunin. That was a nice pass and a 2 points made by Kaunin. Dimas. Pass to Armas. On the middle. Steal by Saginsin. To Cortizano. To Talabis. Talabis for 2. No good. Rebound by Tilde. To Mendoza. Mendoza once again. 2 points. Cortizano. On the corner to Llames. Talabis drives for 2. No good. Cortizano once again. Pass to Kaunin. 10-second shot clock. Llames. Saginsin. Pass for 3. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Tilde. Fast break. Steal by Saginsin. Talabis. Shot for 3. No good. Out of bounds. I'm sorry, that's a foul. Jersey number 30, Dimas. That's a ball possession for JPD Garage. Saginsin. Kaunin fires for 3. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. To Dimas. Dimas to Armas. 2 points. Llames. Dimas tries to steal. And she got the ball. Dumiretso. Foul counted. That was a nice shot made by Dimas. And a bonus again with the foul. That'll be 1 shot is basket. Another 3 for Lady Gallians. Llames, pass to Talabis. Talabis to Kaunin on the middle. Steal by Dimas. To Camalate. Camalate for 2. 2 points. $14 points ahead for Lady Gallians. Cortizano. Steal by Camalate. On the back. 2 points by Armas. Cortizano, as of now, Lady Gallians are pressuring JPD Garage. Another foul. Ball possession for JPD. First shot is no good. Second shot for Cortizano. No good again. Rebound by Kaunin. Kaunin, 2 points. Mendoza to Dimas. Dimas to Camalate. Mendoza on the corner. Drives for 2. No good. Rebound by Cortizano to Kaunin. Fast break to Liames. Save the ball. Dimas got it. To Armas. Armas to Mendoza. Mendoza. That was a nice spin and 2 points. Once again, made by Mendoza. Kaunin to Talabis. Talabis to Liames. Talabis once again, no good. Mendoza got it to Armas. Pass to Dimas. Dimas only under for 2. No good. Rebound by Cortez to Talabis. Talabis, no good. Rebound by Liames. We have a foul. Foul jersey number 13, Camalate. That's a first personal foul for Camalate. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good again. Rebound by Kaunin. Cortizano for 2. And that is it for our second quarter. Official score 38-24. Once again in favor of Los Baños Lady Galleons. We will be back as soon as we start our second half.
Kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa ng set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaan naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres.
We are back to the ball game once again. Championship finals, women's division. Lady Galleons of Los Baños versus JPD Garage. We are now on to our third quarter. We have here Camalate, pass to Malate. Back to Camalate on the corner to Calibo. Shots for 3. 3 points for Calibo. Cortez. Steal by Malate. To Camalate. To to Galvez. On the corner. Malate shots for 3. No good. Rebound by Kaunin. To Cortez. Cortez trying to escape Kamalate. Steal by Calibo. To Galvez. No good. Rebound by Malate. To Calibo. To Kamalate. 5 seconds to shoot. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound by Malate once again. To Galvez. Galvez tries for 2. Out of bounds. Same ball. 7-second shot clock for Lady Galleons. Galvez to Kamalate. Calibo for 2. 2 points. Llames. To Kaunin. Kaunin back to Llames. Steal by Kamalate. To Malate. Galvez saved the ball. Trying to set the play. 10 seconds to shoot. On the corner, Malate. Kamalate in the middle for Calibo. 24-second shot clock violation. And a ball possession for JPD Garage. Llames. To Kaunin. Kaunin, pass to Cortizano. Cortizano, 2 points. Kamalate. Kamalate fires for 3. 3 points made by Kamalate. We have a Kaunin to Llames. Llames trying to escape. Pass to Cortizano. 10 seconds to shoot. Cortizano to Kaunin. Fires for 3. Another 3 made by Kaunin. Kaunin answered Kamalate back with another 3. You'll see what will Galleons do. That's a traveling violation for Calibo. Malate is out and Abad is back in the court. Llames. Jersey number 2. Steal by Calibo. Traveling violation. Napiza. Pass to Llames. Llames in the middle to Kaunin. To Cortizano. That was a nice pass. But a foul made by Calibo. That will be 2 shots for Kaunin. Second shot. No good. Kaunin once again for 2. 2 points. Galvez. Galvez trying to find an open spot to Kamalate. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound by Napiza. To Cortizano. Cortizano to Kaunin. Kaunin. For 2. No good. Rebound by Napiza. Kaunin once again for 2. No good. Napiza. And we have a foul. Another foul made by jersey number 28, Calibo. On the other hand, Mendoza is back on the court. That will be 2 shots for Napiza. First shot, no good. Second shot. Baskets. 1 point for JPD. Abad. Trying to take it slow. Abad to Galvez. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound by Abad. To Kamalate. Steal by Kaunin to Cortizano. To Liames. Liames against Galvez. 2 points. That's a timeout call made by Los Baños Lady Galleons. 5 minutes and 3 seconds remaining time for third quarter. Official score 46-34 in favor of Lady Galleons.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi kapot. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, mutas-mot. Pasok sa kalawang panika na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet D-League basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang...
Back to the ball game after a timeout call made by Lady Galleons. 5 minutes on our third quarter. Official score 46-34 in favor of Lady Galleons. Once again, this is the game for the finals. We will know at the end of the game who will be claiming the victory. Mendoza fires for 3. Air ball, no good. The ball possession for JPD Garage. Llames. Trying to escape Galvez to Kaunin. Kaunin to Tenya. We have a foul. That's jersey number 18, Tilde. Ball possession for JPD. 14 seconds shot clock. For 3, no good. Rebound by Tilde. To Kamalate. Kamalate drives for 2. No good. Galvez got it. No good again. Cortizano on the other hand. Cortizano drives for 2. Another foul. Jersey number 20. A ball possession for JPD Garage. On the corner, Tena, no good. 2 points for Napiza. Dimas. Pass to Kamalate, back to Dimas. Dimas to Kamalate, fires for 3. 3 points for Kamalate. On the other hand, JPD is on the run. Tenya trying to escape. Two guards. Napiza on the under, no good. Dimas saved the ball to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. For drive, no good. Galvez got it. Galvez. Steal by Napiza. Napiza. No good. Rebound by Llames. Save the ball. Steal by Galvez. Galvez to Dimas. Dimas. No good. Rebound by Cortizano. To Napiza to Llames. Llames. 2 points. We are seeing here again De La Cruz to Dimas. De La Cruz fakes a 3. Traveling violation. We have a substitution. Calibo is back in the court after that foul. While Camalate is back on the bench. Llames. Llames to Cortizano. Tena. Drives for 2. No good. Rebound by Galvez. And we have a foul. Jersey number 24, Napiza. Ball possession for Los Baños Lady Galleons. Galvez. Pass to Dimas. Dimas to Mendoza. Mendoza for 2. No good. Out of bounds. Jump ball. Ball possession for JPD Garage. Talabi is back in the court. Talabi's pass to steal by Calibo. Fast break. Dimas failed to catch up with the ball. Out of bounds. Ball possession for JPD. Talabis. We have a whistle. And that will be a ball possession for Galleons. De La Cruz. For 2. No good. Rebound by Cortizano. And we have a whistle. That's foul jersey number 20. And that's a penalty for Los Baños Lady Galleons. Cortizano, first shot, no good. Second shot. No good again, rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza. That was a nice shot. 2 points. Talabis. Out of bounds. Ball possession for Los Baños Lady Galleons. Galvez. 20 seconds left for third quarter. Galvez. To Dimas. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound by Kaunin. 5 seconds to shoot. Kaunin to Valle. And that is it for the third quarter. Official score 51-38 in favor of Los Baños Lady Galleons. We will be back as soon as we start our fourth and final quarter.
Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Liga Liga
Come
Liga
and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga Liga.
Back to the ball game. Start of the fourth and final quarter. Women's division battle for the championship. Los Baños Lady Galleons versus JPD Garage. We will see at the end of the fourth quarter who will take over the championship. As we start out of bounds, ball possession for Lady Galleons. 17-second shot clock left. Dimas. Pass to Camalate. Camalate. Steal by Talabis. Although we have a foul right there. That's a foul. Jersey number 13, Camalate. For the inbound, Valle. Pass to Kaunin. Kaunin. To Cortizano. Cortizano, 2 points. Dimas. Pass to Abad. To Camalate. Tries of shot. Shots for 3. No good. Abad on the under. Pass to Mendoza for 3. No good. Rebound by Saginsin. Saginsin on the rush to Talabis. Talabis trying to escape. Steal by Abad to Dimas. Dimas. Steal by Kaunin to Talabis. Talabis to Saginsin, 2 points. Camalate. 8 seconds violation. Ball possession for JPD. We have here Kaunin, drives for 2, failed. Steal by Mendoza. Mendoza. And we have a foul. That will be a ball possession for Lady Galleons. Camalate. Mendoza, 2 points. Kaunin for the inbound to Talabis. Talabis, pass to Valle for 3. No good. Kaunin. No good again. Mendoza for the rebound. Pass to Camalate. Block and steal by Cortizano. Mendoza almost got it. Saginsin, no good. Rebound by Tilde. To Camalate. Camalate to Calibo for 3. No good. On Dimas on the other hand for 2 points. That's a timeout call made by JPD Garage. 7 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time for our fourth quarter. Official score 55-42 in favor of Los Baños Lady Galleons.
Bola, manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modus, ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibi.
Back to the ball game after a timeout call made by JPD Garage. Last 7 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time for our fourth quarter. Kaunin here. Saginsin for 3, no good. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza to Dimas. Dimas to Galvez for 3. No good. Rebound by Calibo. Steal by to Talabis. To Saginsin. That was a nice pass. 2 points. Dimas. Pass to Galvez. Galvez to Calibo. Fires for 3. No good. De La Cruz. And Kaunin got it. To Saginsin. Out of bounds. Ball possession. JPD Garage. 17 seconds to shoot. Saginsin. Pass to Talabis. Talabis, no good. Rebound by Calibo to Mendoza. Mendoza on the rush. 2 points. Cortizano. Pass to Talabis. Back to Cortizano. Steal by Mendoza once again. Mendoza to Calibo. Another 2 for Lady Galleons. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time for our fourth quarter. Talabis. Again. Spotting an open shot. On the middle to Cortizano. De La Cruz for 3. No good. To Galvez. Galvez. Galvez on the under. Calibo, 2 points. That's a timeout call made by JPD Garage. 4 minutes and 56 seconds remaining time for our fourth quarter. Official score 61-44 in favor of Los Baños Lady Galleons.
Ikaw na limit, kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres. tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Back to the ball game. De La Cruz for the inbound. Tuliames. Llames to De La Cruz. Mendoza steal the ball. Mendoza on the rush. Mendoza no good. Mendoza once again 2 points. Llames. Steal by Calibo. Camalate 2 points. Cortizano. Steal by Camalate to Mendoza. Mendoza. Pass to Galvez. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. I'm sorry, Saginsin. Saginsin, 2 points. Camalate. Pass to Galvez. Galvez. Trying to escape. Camalate. Shots for 3. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz to Kaunin. To Cortizano. Last 3 minutes. Remaining time. For 3. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza drives. No good. Camalate 2 points. Llames. Steal by Calibo. Calibo pass for 3. No good. Rebound by. Out of bounds. Ball possession. Ball possession for JPD. Talabis to Saginsin. Perimeter shot, 2 points. We have a foul. That's jersey number 24, Napiza from JPD Garage. And a ball possession for Lady Galleons. Mendoza, once again. Mendoza. Corner shot, no good. No good again. Rebound by Talabis. Steal. Mendoza. Mendoza trying to keep it low. Mendoza. Drives for 2. No good. Another try. Jersey number 2. 3 seconds violation. Talabis. To Llames. Llames. No good. Llames once again. 2 points. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining time for fourth quarter. Jersey number 3. Pass to Tilde. No good. To Talabis. To Llames. Traveling violation. Ball possession for Galleons. Armas. Back to jersey number 2. On the under, 2 points. That's a timeout call for JPD Garage. Official score, 69-50. 19-point lead by Lady Galleons. Remaining time, 41 seconds left.
Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga.
We are back to the ball game after a timeout call. Last 41 seconds remaining time for the fourth quarter. Llames. Pass to. No good. Steal by De La Cruz. To Llames. Another foul. Llames, second shot, basket. Steal by Saginsin. Saginsin, another foul. 11 seconds left for the fourth quarter. Jersey number 3, Liana. Saginsin, first shot, no good. Second shot, basket. Armas. I guess it has been decided our winner and champion for the women's division, Los Baños Lady Galleons. With a score of 69 points for the finals, our champion, Los Baños Lady Galleons. We will be back for our last game for 18 under. We will be back.
Focus na din lang mga kalaban na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to champion tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga.
buksan mo, tanggalin mo yung ulo. Buksan mo, may kulay blue. Sa loob. Hindi, sa loob. May audio yan. Oo, nailaw na ilaw. Todo ko to ha. Todo. Para interview.
And now let's award the Suzuki very best coach. It's none other than our Canadian coach, Marlene Camalate. Guardians, ilang kayo sa gitna. Lady Guardians. Balik kayo sa gitna, balik. And now let's award our most valuable player of the season mula sa Lady Guardians ay Simon Oginan, jersey number 24, Rachel Mendoza. And again, this is your champions for August National Division, Los Baños Lady Guardians.
Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Ha!
Good afternoon, everyone, and that is it for the women's division. Once again, I am Shekinah Shalshir, courtside reporter. I am here together with the champions of our final game in the women's division, Los Baños Lady Guardians. I am here together with the most valuable player, Miss Mendoza. Finally, after a long run, andito na kayo sa finals and you are claiming the championship. Anong masasabi mo? What are you feeling right now?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon dahil binigyan po ako ng kalakasan ng katawan. Siyempre po kay Coach, kundi po dahil sa kanya, wala po ako dito. Isa rin po sa, kahit wala po kaming training, kahit ako walang training, naglalaro lang ako. Inisip ko pa rin kung anong magiging kalabasan ng aking laro. At yun nga po, yun, nakuha ko yung MVP dahil sa tiyaga, sa tulong din ng mga teammates ko, at tulong din ni Coach, at iba pang Coach. Yun lang po.
Maraming salamat po. On the other hand, I am here with the playing head coach, amazingly playing head coach, Miss Camalate. Ano masasabi mo as you are the head coach at the same time naglalaro ka din? I bet mixed emotions yan. And ano yung mga preparations ang pinagdaanan mo at your team all throughout the season?
Preparation, siguro, wala. Actually, wala kasi busy yung mga ka-team ko. So, nag-uusap-usap na lang kami kada game, during the game. So, yun. Yun lang.
May gusto ka bang pasalamatan who supported you all throughout the season and today sa final game nyo?
Yes, syempre, pinapasalamatan ko si Lord and yung family ko po and GTG, LBDL, Sir Glenn, and kay Coach Shekel, and sa best friend ko, kay Aileen Montecillo po.
Ikaw, may gusto ka bang pasalamatan, Miss MVP, who's currently watching our live and supported you all throughout the season?
Siyempre po, kay Coach, tsaka po sa manager po namin, kay Coach Gail po. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat po. Once again, congratulations Los Baños Lady Galleons for being a champion for our women's division. Once again, this is Shekinah Shelshire, courtside reporter. We will be back for our next game. Back to you guys.
Determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth